This is one of the best courses out there when it comes to value investing. Hi, I'm Kelly and I'm in the field of marine biology.
And I'm Mark, a real estate investor.
Recently, we had a daughter. She's 9 months old now, and we want to ensure a safe and secure future for her.
For me, it's just getting financially free, more wealth, more ROI. The favorite part is the food, the good food. I think a lot of good tips being shared. Cayden has been very clear and made it very easy to understand.
I really like the use of various tools that Cayden introduced to analyze the market and then know when's the right time to enter.
I had so much difficulty understanding what's selling options, but this made it so easy to understand, and it's like so easy to get cash flow by doing what Cayden has taught.
And the lesson was very clear and it was very simple to understand after that.
Just to add on, I think the ability to calculate the intrinsic value of every stock, right, so easily and so clearly, knowing what are the things to look out for, that is really going to save us time and very helpful.
We will definitely recommend VIP to our friends because it is very easy to understand, a low barrier to entry, and anyone can just attend it.